Right. Everyone observe in trigonometry. In expression is a independent parameters. Means parameter means unknown values. If the equation is the independent parameter equation, then we should take any one of the trigonometric values. Okay, na? So that means expression is independent. So this is the trigonometry. So everyone observe an expression is an independent of the unknown parameter, then we can apply the trigonometric values as a substitution. What is the trigonometric values is theta place we can substitute 0 degrees or 30 degrees or 45 degrees or 60 degrees or 90 degrees. 90% of the questions should be solved for 0 degrees, 45 degrees and 90 degrees. 0 degrees and 45 degrees and 90 degrees for 90% of the questions. 90% of the questions is solved by these three values only. These three values only. I will do the problems. Everyone see, already you know the 0 degrees, sine 0 degrees value is the 0, sine 0 degrees value is the 0, sine 90 degrees value is the 1. Next, cos 0 degrees value is the 1, cos 90 degrees value is the 0, sine 45 degrees value is the 1 by root 2, and cos 45 degrees value also same 1 by root 2. Okay, na? Same 1 by root 2. These are the values we can be substitute. Okay, these are values we can be substitute, and we should solve the problem if the given expression is the independent of unknown parameters. Known parameters is given means we cannot do. Okay, na? Unknown parameters only. We can take the unknown parameters only, no other. Okay, na? You should be remembered. I will do the problem is, first problem we can see 6 of sine theta power rise to 6 cos theta power rise to 6 minus 3 sine theta of power rise to 4 and cos theta power rise to 4 plus 4 is given. What is the value of this one? I will do this problem is, first I will take 0 degrees value. Theta fail means I will take 45. Fail means I will take 90 degrees. I will tell three values only. Okay, na? 0 degrees mean, now see, 6 into sine 0 degrees power rise to 6 cos 0 degrees power rise to 6 minus 9 sine 0 degrees power rise to 4 cos 0 degrees power rise to 4 plus 4 is given. Sine 0 value is the 0. Therefore, 6 into sine 0 value is the 0. Cos 0 value is the 1. 9 into sine 0 value is the 0. Cos 0 value is the 1 plus 4. Now it is the 6 plus 4. 6 minus 9 plus 4. Total answer is 1. Very simply, we can be solve the problem. Okay, na? You should be remember, it is the expression must be unknown of the parameters, independent of the unknown parameters. Unknown parameters. Okay, na? So I go through the second problem. Everyone observe. I go through the second problem. What is the second problem is, everyone see, sine theta power rise to 6 plus cos theta power rise to 6 plus 3 sine square theta into cos square theta. This is the given problem. So everyone, minus 7 is given. This is the given problem. I will do the problem C. Here is the also unknown parameter. Theta is the parameter, is the theta. Theta is the unknown value. First I will take theta is equal to 0 degrees. Immediately write down sine 0 degrees power rise to 6, cos 0 degrees power rise to 6, 3 sine 0 degrees power rise to 6 square, and cos square of 0 degree minus 7. So sine 0 value is the 0, cos 0 value is the 1, 3 into sine 0 value is the 0, cos 0 value is the 1, minus 7. Therefore, total value is 1 minus 7 minus 6 is the answer. Okay, na? Very simply we can be solved. Very simple. Okay, na? So I will tell 90% of the problem should be solved by these values only. If it is independent of the expression, is the independent of unknown parameter. Parameter means angle. Angle we don't know. Right. See, the third problem is cos alpha sin of beta minus gamma plus cos beta sin of gamma minus alpha plus cos gamma sin of alpha minus beta. Here, three values are given mean, you should be remember, three values are given, three angles are given mean, it is also independent expression. It is an independent expression with unknown parameter. Alpha we don't know, beta we don't know, gamma we don't know. When the problem is given, so three angles mean immediately should we take three angles must be equal. So must be equal. Okay, na? And take it as a 0 degrees. Now write down cos of 0 degrees, sine of 0 minus 0 degrees plus cos of 0 degrees into sine of 0 degrees minus 0 degrees plus cos 0 degree sine of 0 degrees minus 0 degrees. Okay, na? Cos 0 value is the 1, sine 0 value is the 0, cos 0 is the 1, sine 0 is the 0, cos 0 is the 1, sine 0 is the 0, total value is the 0. Is it clear, everyone? Right. Fourth problem. I go through the fourth problem. Everyone observe. I go through the fourth problem. Very simple trigonometry problem. If you know these values mean, very simply we can solve. Very simply we can solve. Okay, na? Right. See, the fourth problem is, everyone observe. The fourth problem is tan of alpha plus 60 degrees plus tan of alpha minus 60 degrees, plus tan of alpha plus 60 degrees plus into tan of alpha minus 60 degrees. Okay, na? This value is required. So many persons will be tell it as a log procedure problem. You should be take alpha plus beta. This is the A, this is the B, this is the, we can be write down A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. A plus B write down and simplify, we can get the answer. But I am not going to tell like that one. Very simply. This is also expression. Unknown angle is there. That is the alpha only. Immediately we take alpha is equal to 0 degrees. I will take alpha is equal to 0 degrees. Now tan 0 degrees is the 0 and tan of 0 plus 60 is the 60 degrees. Tan 0 degrees, tan of 0 minus 60 is the minus 60 degrees plus tan of 0 plus 60 is the 60 degrees. Tan of 0 minus 60 degrees is the minus 60 degrees. Okay, na? Tan 0 value is 0 only. Tan 0 value is the 0. This value is 0 means total is 0. This value is 0 means total is 0. Tan 60 value is the tan 60 value is the root 3. Tan of minus 60 minus tan 60 degrees. Okay, na? So this is the 0 replace root 3 minus root 3 by the multiplication minus 3 is the answer. Very simple. Okay, na? Any problem, we can take these values only. Okay, na? Right. I go through the one more problem. Fifth problem. Everyone see the fifth problem. Fifth problem is 3 times of sine 3 pi by 2 minus theta power raised to 4 plus sine 3 pi plus theta power raised to 4 plus minus 2 bracket minus 2 bracket sine pi by 2 plus theta power raised to 6 plus next one plus sine 5 pi plus theta power raised to 6 bracket close. What is the value for this one is? I will take simply, so 0 degrees, after then I will observe. Okay, na? So 0 degrees, so theta is equal to 0 degrees, I will write. So 3 times of sine power raised to 4 3 pi by 2. Okay, na? Plus sine power raised to 4 3 pi. Next, minus 2 sine power raised to 6 0, therefore pi by 2 sine power raised to 6. This is the 0 5 pi. Okay, na? 5 pi. Next, sine 270 degrees value is the minus 1. 3 into minus 1 power of 4. Sine 180 value is the 0. Sine 90 value is the 1 power of 6. Sine 5 pi value is the 0. Sine pi value is the 0. Therefore, 3 times of 1 minus 2 times of 1. 3 minus 2, its simple answer is 1. Very simple. Trigonometry, whatever the problems is, we can do like this one only. Right. Sixth problem we can see. Everyone see the sixth problem. If tan alpha is equal to m by m plus 1 and tan beta is equal to 1 by 2m plus 1, then alpha plus beta value is, then alpha plus beta value is, then alpha plus beta value is, then alpha plus beta value angle is. They are asking like that one only. Okay, na? So here is what we can do mean unknown angle is given. Here one unknown angle is given, value also given. Here unknown value is given, Unknown value is given means immediately unknown value is let it be 0. Don't take angle is 0. Unknown value is given mean immediately unknown value take it as a 0. Okay na? So unknown value is the m, unknown value is the m. Unknown value is given means angle also unknown, but value is unknown means unknown value should be taken as a 0. Write down tan alpha is equal to 0 by any number is the 0. So immediately alpha is equal to 0 degrees. Tan beta is equal to 1 by 0 plus 1, that is the 1. So 1 means tan 45 degrees. Therefore, beta is equal to 45 degrees. So alpha plus beta is equal to 0 plus 45. Therefore, angle is 45 degrees, only simple. This we can do the long procedure. Tan of alpha plus beta formula, tan of A plus B formula, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. We can write, simplify. We can get angle is alpha plus beta is equal to, so 45 degree. But I am taking the very simple process. Okay. Sixth problem also completed. Right. I go through the seventh problem. Everyone see the seventh problem is, everyone observe seventh problem. If A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees, then sigma means summation, tan A by 2 into tan B by 2 value is. Tan A by 2 into tan B by 2 value is. Everyone observe, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees is given means immediately 183 angles we have. 180 divided with 3, then A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60 degrees K. Okay na? Simple. Sigma tan of A by 2 into tan of B by 2. Relation is sigma, take out cyclic order, tan of A by 2 into tan of B by 2. Next BC, tan of B by 2, C by 2, tan of C by 2, AB completed cyclic order, ABC, AB completed, next BC completed, next AC, tan of C by 2 into tan of A by 2. Okay, now tan of A by 2. Sir, how can you do this one? 60, 60 right now. Tan 60 by 2 is the 30 degrees. Tan 60 by 2 is the 30 degrees. Here also tan 30 degrees, tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees, tan 30 degrees. Here also tan 30 degrees, tan 30 degrees. Okay, na? Tan 30 degrees is how many times is repeated? 3 times. 3 into tan 30 degrees into tan 30 degrees. Now write down tan 30 degrees value is 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3. By the cancellation, answer is 1. Very simple. Okay, na? Next problem is, everyone see the eighth problem. Everyone observe the eighth problem. Everyone observe the eighth problem. Okay. Eighth problem is, if alpha cos square of 3 theta plus beta cos power of 4 theta. Okay, na? plus is equal to 16 cos power of theta plus 9 cos square theta value is. What is the value for this one? And is an identity, is an identity, then value is, identity, then value is, okay na? Then alpha value, beta value is required, beta is 18, alpha is 1, beta is equal to 24. Next one is alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to 24. And the fourth one is alpha is equal to 4, beta is equal to 12. These are the given values. Identity means constant value. These are constant value. So first one you can see here is I want alpha value, beta value. Don't substitute in place of alpha, beta. Theta place substitute 0 degrees. Alpha into cos 0 degrees value is the 1. Beta into cos 0 degrees value is the 1 power of 4 is equal to 16. Cos 0 value is the 1 plus 9 into cos 0 value is the 1. Okay, na? Here is the alpha plus beta is equal to 16 plus 9, 25. Where we get the 25 is the second option. Alpha plus beta is the 25 in the second option only. That's enough. Very simply, we can solve the problems very simply. Only 0 degrees, I am playing with 0 degrees only. And maximum problems I am doing with 0 degrees only. All right, everyone see. Ninth problem. Ninth problem is sine of 5 theta plus sine of 2 theta minus sine theta by cos of 5 theta plus 2 into cos of 3 theta plus 2 cos square theta plus cos theta plus cos theta is given. Option C is given by tan theta. Second option is the cot theta. Third option is the sin theta. Fourth option is the cos theta. These are the given options. Okay, na? Here we can see. Sir, I will put the 0 degrees, sir. 0 by any value is the 0 by any value is the undefined. Don't take 0 degrees. Sir, I will take the next value, sir. 45, sir. So 45 means 5 into 45 is a 225. Okay, we can take 45, but value will become as a 225. You can simply means 90 degrees, 45, we can write root values will come. So these are the some root values means we're taking the LCM, is some problem. Okay, na? So I don't take root values. I go to take the 30 degrees. Okay, na? 30 degrees mean I can see theta is equal to 30 degrees mean now sine of 5 into 30 the 150 degrees plus sine into 2 into 30 is the 60 degrees minus sine into theta is the 30 degrees. I will feel very happy. So no root terms. No, you are getting the root terms or I will solve means no objection. You can take 45. Okay. Na? So next by 5 into 5 cos of 5 into 30 degrees 150 degrees plus 2 into cos of 3 into 30 is the 90 degrees plus 2 cos square of 30 degrees plus cos 30 degrees plus cos 30 degrees. Okay, na? Plus cos 30 degrees. It should be right down. 150 degrees is 180 minus 30 second quadrant positive sine 30 degrees plus sine 60 degrees minus sine 30 degrees. Okay, now sine 30 both are cancelled. Cos 180 minus 30 second quadrant negative minus cos 30 degrees plus 2 cos 90 value 0, 2 cos square 30, cos 30 value is, what is the cos 30 value? Cos 30 value is, so sin 30 value is the 1 by 2 and sin 63 value is the root 3 by 2. Therefore, cos 30 degrees value is the root 3 by 2 square plus cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 degrees, cos 30 degrees both are cancelled. Therefore, sine 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2 by, so here 2 into 3 by 4. Okay, now write down reverse Dharma. So root 3 by 2 into 2 times is cancelled, 2 by 3. So 2 cancel, root 3 by 3. Its answer is the 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Theta is 30 degrees. Tan 30 is the 1 by root 3. Therefore, first option is the correct one. This is the tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees. Theta is the 30 degrees. We can take. First option we can be take it as. Okay, na? Very simple problems. Okay, na? Maximum problems I will take. Root is coming means I am not going to take first one. I will feel, but another root is came, but it will become as a square. Okay, na? Right. 10th problem. Everyone see the 10th problem is tan alpha plus 2 tan 2 alpha plus 4 tan 4 alpha plus 8 cot 8 alpha. 8 cot 8 alpha. Its answer is the cot alpha. Second option is the cot of 2 alpha. Third option is the tan alpha. Fourth option is the tan of 2 alpha. Tan of 2 alpha. Right, see everyone. Here, so what angle we can select, sir, here? I will select the 0 means total answer 0 will become. It is the undefined. Cot is undefined. Don't take 0. Fail 0. 90 degrees means already tan is the undefined at 90. 0 don't take. 90 don't take. What are the 30, 45, 60 is there. 30 also, for 8 times of 30 means big value will become 240 degrees. Again, simplification we write. I will write 30 off is the 15 degrees. 15 into 8 is 15 into 8 is, okay na? 15 into 8 is the 120 degrees. 120 easy for me. We're doing the problem. That's why I am taking the alpha is equal to 15 degrees. No, sir, I will take 30 degrees, no objection. Okay, we can take and we can write value, get the same answer, no objection. If you want me 30 degrees also, you can take. No, sir, me, I am going to take 15 degrees. If you know the 15 degrees value, nama, tan 50 degrees value is the 2 minus root 3. So you have idea na, about that 115 degrees value. We can substitute. No means 30 degrees we can take. You don't know value means 30 degrees we can take. 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees value is the 1 by root 3. 2 times of tan 60 degrees value is the root 3. 4 times of tan 120 degrees plus 8 times of cot 240 degrees. 240 degrees. Now write down simplification. This is 1 by root 3 plus 2 root 3 plus 4 into tan 180 minus 60 second quadrant. Tan is negative, same name, tan 60 degrees. Okay, na? Plus 8 into 180 plus 60 third quadrant. Cot is positive, same name, cot of 60 degrees. Okay, na? Now write down the values. 1 by root 3 plus 2 root 3 tan 60 is the root 3 minus 4 root 3 plus 8 into cot 60 degrees is the 1 by root 3. Now simplify. This is 1 by root 3, 8 by root 3, 9 by root 3 minus 2 root 3. That is equal to 9 by root 3, the 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3. This is the root 3. We take alpha is the 30 degrees. What answer is the correct one? Cot 30 degrees value is the root 3. Therefore, cot alpha is the answer. This is the cot 30 degrees. This is the cot 30 degrees. Therefore, cot alpha is the answer. Very simple. This is the long problem. They will do the nearly 1 or 2 pages problem, but I will do the very simply. 30 degrees I will take and solve. Okay, na? Right. 11th problem we can see everyone. Everyone observe the 11th problem. 11th problem is if tan theta is equal to b by a, then root over a minus a plus b by a minus b plus root over a minus b by a plus b value is required. Its value is required. Option C, everyone. So first option is 2 sine theta by root of sine 2 theta. Second option is 2 cos theta by root of cos 2 theta. Third option is 2 cos theta by root of sine 2 theta. Fourth option is 2 sine theta by root of cos 2 theta. These are the given options. Everyone observe. This is also telling that what they are telling the procedure is here a by b, b by a is given. Take a common and cancel 1 minus b by a and 1 plus b by a, 1 minus b by a plus write down tan theta and convert sine and cos, rationalizing simplification, we get the answer. They will tell. I am not doing like that one. I will do very unknown value is given. Immediately we should be take already I tell one value should be take it as a 0. Upper value I am taking the 0. Downside value take 0 means undefined. So don't take downside value is the 0. You should take the upper value is the 0 only. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 0. Therefore, theta is equal to 0 degrees. Okay, na? Now write down in this problem required answer a plus b by a minus b plus a minus b by a plus b. A b value is the 0, root over a by a plus root over a by a. Its value is the 1 plus 1 is the 2. Where we get the 2, 0 degrees is substitute. Cos 0 degrees is the 1. Cos 0 degrees is the 1. We get the 2. Second option is the completed. Very simple I will do. Only one line. I do the only one line by the process. Okay, na? Every problem I will tell her these values only. We take these values only. One more video I will tell two angles is same. How can you take, sir? One more video I will tell. So any problem we can do by this process only, by the angle methods only. All right, see the next problem. Twelfth problem. If cosecant theta is equal to P plus Q by P minus Q. P plus Q not equal to 0. Okay, na? Don't take P plus Q is a 0. Then what is the answer is required? Then cot of pi by 4, cot of pi by 4 plus theta by 2 value is. This value is required amount. So first option is given. What is the root over P by Q? Second option is given root over Q by P. Third option is given root of PQ. Fourth option is given PQ. Right. Everyone observe these are the problem. I will do this problem also in simple manner only, not by the long procedure manner. So here P plus Q don't take 0. We put the condition. Otherwise, it is not given means I will take P plus Q is the 0. Simply cosecant 0 values I will write. So very simply I will do. But here condition is don't take P plus Q is the 0. That's why I will take theta is equal to 0. Theta is equal to 0 degrees. Sin 0 value is the 0 and cosecant 0 degrees value is the undefined. Cosecant means undefined, it will 30 degrees we can take. Sorry, 30 degrees we can take. Cosecant 30 degrees value is the 2 is equal to P plus Q by P minus Q. By the cross multiplication, 2P minus 2Q is equal to P plus Q. By the simplification, P is equal to 3Q. Okay, na? P is equal to 3Q. Write down everyone. Everyone observe. Cot of pi by 4 means 45 degrees, theta is 30 degrees, theta is 30 degrees, okay na? 75 degrees, cot of 75 degrees. What is the cot 75 degrees value is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1, okay na? Root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So here is the 13 by 2, amma. 13 by 2 is the 15 degrees, 15 degrees, cot 60 degrees, cot 60 degrees value is the 1 by root 3. Where we get 1 by root 3? First option check, amma. So root over P place is the 3Q by Q, we get root 3, but required is the 1 by root 3. This is not the answer. Second one check, amma. Root over Q by P value is the 3Q. By the cancellation 1 by root 3. Therefore, second option is the correct one. Very simply we can do the problem. So one more video I will send. In that video we can see so how to simplify the whatever the problems is we are going to discuss. Two angles problems also we can discuss. Okay, na? Clear everyone?